Hi, my name is Monica Dominguez, and today I'm going to be talking through the claim that Nature Made is the number one pharmacist recommended vitamin supplement brand in America. So I don't know if you've ever been super tired or super drained before, and somebody says something like, "Oh, take a melatonin. I take one, once a night, or when I can't sleep, and it just knocks me out." So I want to explore that claim, as well as some of the other claims made by Nature Made vitamin supplement brands specifically. So the specific commercial claims that Nature Made is the number one pharmacist recommended vitamin supplement in America. I have a hyperlink to the ad right here, but essentially all that it is an actress who's playing the role of a pharmacist saying, "I recommend Nature Made vitamin supplements to my patients because I believe that it's the most helpful for them." So we're just going to explore that claim. Like I said, that's the claim being made, the specific claim by advertisers. So this information comes from two sources, or is supplemented specifically from two sources. Every year, the Pharmacy Times sends out a survey to about 10,000 pharmacists, asking them their opinion on certain vitamin supplements, over-the-counter brands, and they compile that to release what's called an OTC guide, which is an over-the-counter guide for patients, just to help them make the best choice in shopping for over-the-counter brands. Additionally, to help reach more people, they collaborate with U.S. News and World Report to create a kind of user-friendly guide to the pharmacist recommended, or the Pharmacy Times survey about this. Now, this outside source talks about specifically the claims on melatonin bottles and the amount of melatonin that's actually present in these supplements. So apparently, in summary, the article says that the melatonin content that can be claimed on the label can vary widely from the content of melatonin that's actually contained within the supplement or tablet. So just the conclusion from that article goes to show that even reputable brands like Nature Made can sometimes make claims that aren't all that they're stacked up to be. So it's just really important to be very aware as a consumer about the types of supplements and the types of brands from which you want to take these supplements. So I do think that the advertiser's claim could be true. I think that it's really important to note that Nature Made is only the number one recommended vitamin in certain categories. So, for example, they are number one recommended for vitamins A, B, C, and D, but not number one recommended for things like women's multivitamin or other things, fish oil, omega-3s. So it's just really important to note that while they can claim that they are the number one pharmacist recommended in certain categories, they're not overwhelmingly the number one kind of pharmacist recommended. So some possible lurking variables are the amount of pharmacists surveyed. It does go out to quite a large number, so there really is a good sample sizing there. But there's also bias. There's brand bias, off-brand versus brands. There's always kind of lobbying within, or people using their company to kind of sway pharmacists' opinion for whatever reason. And then I worked solo on this project. So thank you. That was just me going through some of the claims made about Nature Made vitamin supplements. Thanks.